I'm going to show you the Hillbilly way of moving an engine. The engine is over there. Here's the barn garage. There's the mouse killer. She's inspecting, making sure no mice and rats are getting in there. So now usually I'll take that bobcat over there and I'll scoop it up and just move it and set it over here on this table or something. Or I'll take this two-wheeler right here and I take something like that strap right there and strap it to the two-wheeler so I don't have to worry about falling off, and I just roll it wherever I want to. But we've done all that, haven't we? Haven't we, Smoky Cat? It's not fun anymore. So we have this device here we call a rope. Now the next video, I'll be tearing this thing all apart. If y'all haven't seen one of my previous videos, this engine actually came out of this car and it had a knocking noise. So I'm going to be tearing it apart. We'll find out what that knocking noise was. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.